Hi, good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you are, Tehseen. Hi.
Okay. Hi. Thank you, Dr. Nandita. Thank you, Mr. Clotus, for the opportunity not only to share my experience of reversing diabetes, but to actually relive this amazing life changing experience I had in my life. One of the best decisions I ever made. So, just to speak about that, I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes in the year 2012 following a sudden and serious operation, which left me bedridden for almost 6 months. And I was really shattered at that point in time and very shocked that to have got diabetes at such a young age, because I'm a doctor's daughter and I've always believed in, I'm aware of the health part and some form of exercise. And I always thought I was eating healthy. However, I still got type 2 diabetes. And I was put on insulin and oral medication by the doctors because of my diabetes levels were pretty high. And I remember initially I didn't know what to eat, because even with few simple foods like idli, sambar, my sugars used to shoot up at time. And I visited some of the top diabetologists in Mumbai and nutritionists. And, like Dr. Nandita said, I was given the usual advice of, okay, keep off sugar, and fruits like, okay, chikus and mangoes and stuff like that, which are high in sugar, as well as carbohydrates, like keep off your white potatoes and white rice, etc. So of course I started on my restricted diet, and my sugars used to fluctuate and was sort of some days controlled, not controlled, but my medication never went down. In fact, it gradually sort of became a little higher. And this went on for 1.5 years till I was very fortunate that, few friends in my complex mentioned that, okay, there's an organization called Sharan, and they deal with diabetes reversal. So hearing anything connected to diabetes, and I was desperate to get rid of diabetes from my life, because everyone I met said, once you get diabetes, you're a diabetic for life.
Yeah.
And it was like some life sentence, not death sentence, like a life sentence I had received that, oh my God, I'm going to be this way, and then I'm going to be on insulin and side effects and etc. So I went and I attended Sharan's Reversing Diabetes seminar, and I was told that reversing diabetes is possible. And frankly speaking, I was quite skeptical at first. And I was like, is that really possible just by making few lifestyle changes and, certain changes in eating habits? But then it struck me that if there is even half a chance that I reverse my diabetes, especially with the compelling logic that I heard during that presentation, I said, let me go for it. And that is when I started following Sharan's guidelines 100%. And this was a switch to a whole food plant-based diet. And I'm born and brought up in a Muslim family, hardcore non-vegetarian, having non-veg animal products 4 times a day. And I'm having to make that switch. It was definitely difficult, and there were some challenges initially, especially, during the first 10 days. But let me say this, that I dealt with it by educating myself that, okay, what are the benefits, what are the advantages, and most importantly, what are the replacements for, whether it's milk and cheese and curd and all my, my non-veg dishes that I had. And that's how actually I started enjoying the process, because like doctor said, actually the food started seeming really delicious. And in fact, I used to check my sugars 3 times a day just to see what is the effect of this Sharan lifestyle diet on my sugars. And I was amazed that by the third day, my sugar started tumbling down. And I was eating quite a lot. And I said 3 days, I said, okay, maybe I was really intrigued. I said, I'm onto something, a little positive over here. And that was it. And this went on for like 21 days, where at the end of 21 days, uh, the doctor declared that, okay, your medications have been reducing, and when you've reversed your diabetes, there's no need for any more medication. And that was one of the happiest days of my life. I couldn't believe it. And I was like, oh my God, have I really reversed my diabetes in 21 days? And of course, I couldn't believe it for a few days. But let me say this very clearly. This was 6 years back in 2014, and 6 years since, I'm diabetes free and medicine free. And I experienced numerous benefits in these 6 years. And initially, like my HbA1c was almost 9.3. It came down to 5.4. So, those of you who know about diabetes, the average sugar marker. And sorry?
No, I said it should be within 5.4 and below.
No, it should be at least 6 and below.
6 and below is the marker. And today it stands at anywhere between, 5.5, 5.6. And this is like 6 years hence. So, sometimes people feel, oh, you've reversed your diabetes, but did it actually stay? The answer is it's been 6 years and it's been great.
And
apart from...
Tehseen, you never had to go back to medicine again?
Never, Ruchira, never, ever. And I did my test every 6 months, and now I do it every year. Initially, I did it for 6 months, for about 3 years, just to be sure, is my HbA1c okay? Is my PP and my fasting okay? Are my other parameters okay? And doctor has seen some of my blood test reports in the past, and they've all been like a green signal, and it's been really good. It's been actually amazing.
Did you lose any weight?
Yes, doctor. I was just coming to that. So my HbA1c was first. Second was I lost almost 12 kgs.
Wow.
And this was in a span of almost 1.5 months, which was a very short time period. And 12 kgs is a lot of weight. And I started looking younger than my age, which was, of course, for all of us women on the call, it's always a happy side effect. It's always amazing to have that. So that was my second thing. And just very quickly, other things that happened was my energy levels. I used to be such a, lethargic person, and going to work, coming back, and suddenly I find my energy levels shooting up, and I have more time and energy to do things in my life. And, apart from that, actually, I would say that even, mood-wise, like I just want to say this as a woman, and we are on a Women's Tele Summit, that, I used to experience, whether it's anxiety, anger, stress, being very emotional, sadness, all this used to happen, right? Like a lot of us experience that, and that is also, hormonal, and, people say that. But let me tell you, after I switched to a plant-based diet, I was definitely happier and calmer and more content. And I know this for a fact because not only I felt it, like I remember, few of my family members remarking on one trip that, oh God, you've changed 180 degrees, like you're almost Zen-like at times. Because I used to be so different early on, prone to getting hecked up quickly and all that. So that was another beautiful effect of, not only reversing diabetes, but, facing all this. And last but not the least, if I may just say, all those restrictions of no mangoes and no chikus and stuff like that. Today, truly, I eat everything plant-based with no quantity restriction. So that's another beautiful thing of the Sharan lifestyle. No quantity restriction. It's just about quality. Eat when hungry, drink when thirsty. And if you follow that, it's like today I can have pizzas, plant-based pizzas, and milk and cheese and curd and cakes and cookies and everything. It's not like deprivation that, oh my God, I'll have to let go of all that. It just needs to be veganized and made plant-based. And more importantly, mangoes. I'm really relishing my mangoes and chikus and custard apple and all that. And I really want to say, like, last 2 summers, I personally, and I'm saying this because I've been an ex-diabetic, that's a lovely thing to say, but I had more than 70 mangoes myself in the entire summer. And my HbA1c was fine. There were times I was just having mangoes for lunch and mangoes for dinner and breakfast. So, that's what I want to just invite all the diabetics out there, because, I know what it is to be a diabetic, to have those insulin injections in your tummy, to have oral medication. Food is laid out for everyone, and you are the one, cannot have this, cannot have that, cannot have these sweets. It's a life of deprivation and, like a life sentence. So I really want to invite all the diabetics out there, especially the women, not being a feminist, but, since it's a Women's Tele Summit, that truly there is an opportunity to reverse these chronic life diseases, because later on, even as per research and the truth, it's like you don't know where it's going. Like people think diabetes is like a cough and cold and every house has a diabetic and there's so many diabetics. No, it's a chronic ailment and it leads to neuropathy and nerve damage and lot of other issues later on that you don't even know of. And here's your opportunity, not by taking medicines that you're going to cure yourself, but just by making these lifestyle changes, losing weight, all the other happy side effects. So that's just something to think about.
Thank you. Thanks so much, Tehseen. That you made a really, really
Thank you, Ruchira.
you made a really, really
Thank you.
important point. Because we see everyone around us, so many people around us suffering from diabetes, we kind of have discounted it, saying that, oh, it's not so life-threatening. Just take some medicine, manage it. But we don't
Yeah,
realize the long-term repercussions it has actually. As we age, things get worse, and all the other ailments that come together. I mean, already we know that
true.
diabetes and hypertension are both linked. Invariably, people will suffer from both.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It has the same causes.
Just because it is so common, we don't pay it enough attention, and we don't think that it's actually reversible. You can live free, like medicine free, and you can eat
Absolutely.
whatever you want.
Absolutely.
That's fabulous. Thank you so much, Tehseen.
You're most welcome. Thank you.
Thanks.